Specifically, is there a difference in how men and women handle juggling multiple tasks at once? It turns out science might have some fascinating answers. So let's set the scene. You're on a work call, typing an email, and your kid just asked for a snack. Sound familiar? For many, this is just a typical Tuesday. But the question is, are some brains better wired for this kind of mental acrobatics? A growing body of research suggests that, on average, women might have a slight edge when it comes to a specific type of multitasking called task switching. Now, it's important to clarify that true simultaneous multitasking is a myth for everyone. Our brains aren't computers with multiple processors. What we call multitasking is actually rapid task switching, stopping one thing and starting another in quick succession. And this is where things get interesting. Several studies have put this to the test. In one experiment, researchers from the UK asked men and women to switch between different types of challenges, like solving math problems and finding restaurants on a map. The results were quite revealing. When faced with juggling these tasks, the women in the study were generally faster and more organized in their approach. They tended to spend a bit more time thinking and planning before diving in, which ultimately led to better overall performance. The men, on the other hand, were slightly slower to switch between the tasks. This isn't about one being smarter than the other, but rather about different cognitive strategies. So, what's behind this? Scientists have a few theories. One popular idea links it to brain structure and connectivity. Some neuroimaging studies suggest that the corpus callosum, the bundle of nerves connecting the brain's left and right hemispheres, might be differently structured or utilized in men and women. This could potentially allow for more efficient information flow between hemispheres, which is crucial for handling diverse tasks. Another perspective is evolutionary. For much of human history, women often had to manage a wide array of domestic and communal responsibilities, simultaneously caring for children, gathering food, and maintaining social bonds all at once. This constant juggling act over millennia might have favored the development of brains that excel at rapid context switching. Of course, these are just general trends. Individual skills vary massively, and plenty of men are fantastic multitaskers, just as many women prefer to focus on one thing at a time. It's not a hard and fast rule, but an interesting pattern observed in scientific research. Ultimately, understanding these subtle differences isn't about creating a battle of the sexes, but about appreciating the incredible diversity of the human brain. What do you think? Do these findings ring true in your own life? Let me know in the comments below.